Brian here with you. Welcome into my office. Let's take a look now at this 2-volume pair of Jardine. It is Ornithology, the Naturalist's library. There's Linnaeus. And these are the Hummingbird volumes from 1843. It's funny here because the title page is 33, but this inserted supplemental title for the whole set was 43, meaning the book itself here, the contents and the plates, are 33. However, the publisher sold it over a period of years, and in 43, Lizars were issued a monumental set with all the volumes in it. And the year that that was done for this set was 43. There are other years that it could be. And here we see how the plates survive. They are with original hand color. They're mostly quite clean. A few have some minor spotting, but nothing offensive. The bindings are quite poor. They're period full leather, but the spines have dried and chipped, so it's not a physically attractive set from the exterior, but internally it is entirely acceptable, if not outright pleasing to look at. Yeah, here they all are, delightful little hummingbirds. If you go to the store to buy hummingbird food, what you're buying is in fact a bag of sugar, and you bring it home and mix it with water and put it in the feeder. So do not buy hummingbird food. You simply mix sugar with water and put it in a bird feeder for them. Yeah, and so there we go. This is how this 2-volume set of books survives, and they are available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.